do the ePortfolio, and let me show you first how to get into your ePortfolio. This is an example of my ePortfolio that I did with my master's class, and yours is going to be a little bit different or require a few different things. But first off, if you click on the account up here where it says the account in the right hand bar, you're going to click on that, and then you're going to go to where it says ePortfolio, and you're going to select that. And then you guys are going to create a new ePortfolio, which is right here on this bar. So click on create a new ePortfolio, and you are going to title it. So title it however you want. I'm going to title this as example, and we are going to, you can make it public, but I suggest not doing that. Leave it non-public, and then make ePortfolio. So here is where you're starting, and if you look over here, you're going to start with your welcome page, home page, and you can select organize selections and ePortfolio settings. So organize sections, you can add here, rename it here by selecting on anything that shows a gear, and you can add a section. So one of the sections that I would put in here is introduction. So maybe add an introduction and hit enter, and then you can go ahead, rename it, delete it, move it however you want. So in your introduction, I'm going to show you guys how to do this. We're going to go ahead and hit done editing, and I want to go into introduction page, and you're going to open it up, and this is where you can add things. So you can see where it says this. I'm doing this on my iPad right now, but it will show on the right hand side you can add new pages. So to add a new page or to edit this page, you can do that. So let's start by editing this, and you can edit it by saying who am I, and then you can, right here it said add content, down here it says rich text content. You can embed content, you could do course submission, or you can upload a file. So let's put in there that we're going to add content, and this is, you can type right in here, hi, my name is Michelle Kelly, and I would like to introduce myself to the professional world. And you can keep typing. You're going to write about yourself, and if you save the page, now you have this in there. If you want to continue editing this page, you can continue editing it, and you can add more stuff in here. So you can add like course submission stuff. So when you go to course submission, up will come all the things that you've done in your course, and you can select one of them. This is stuff that I did in my master's course, so I'm going to select this discussion post, just selecting it, and select submission, and it will automatically put in your discussion post. Okay, you can also continue editing. You can add more things. You can upload images. So let's say there's an image that you would like to upload, so you can choose a file, and we can go to the photo library, and I'm just going to pick something in my photo library, use this, and we're going to select and save. So you're going to see this image upload. I'm just picking random stuff. So we can save this page, and then when you're done, you can view it, and you can see this is what I typed, this I added from my course here, this section here, and this was the image I put in. And you can edit these images. You can download images from the website. You have free reign to do that. If you want to continuing to edit this page, there are options to add images in here. If you want to add an image in here, you can put a picture of yourself. So you can insert different images in here. You'd have to find the file or download, which I don't have any. You can also edit these images if you want to make them smaller. Oops. Not sure what just happened there. So let me go back to my ePortfolio. Here's my example. And then we can go to my introduction page. And this will show you what we just did. Okay? So you can edit these here. You can add other pages over here by organizing your selection here. And you can add a section again and type it as resume, you know, and then enter that. And then here you can go ahead, say done editing, and then go to your resume page. And you can edit this page, and then you can add in your resume that you uploaded from your course. So that's how you can kind of build an ePortfolio. I'm going to show you when you go into your ePortfolio, I'm going to show you how you're going to upload your ePortfolio. So go back to ePortfolio, and you can see these are the three I did an example. So let's pick this example. And when you select whatever you did, right here it says copy and share this link right here in this area. And you see this link, you can copy that link and you're going to upload that in your submission. So you know, so I can access it. So this is the link that's located right here in the center of the page, right there, that you're going to upload into your final submission. Again, we'll work on this in class this coming week, and then I'll help you. But let me show you, I'll upload an example of my ePortfolio, and you guys can take a look at how I did. Mine is long, obviously yours does not have to be that long, but I did an introduction page, and it kind of talks about what my inspiring and educating future healthcare professionals to discover their passion in life. And then I have different pages that are located down here. Who am I? I also included my vision, mission, and values. So this lists my vision, mission, and values. Who am I as an educator? And this is a snippet from my teaching philosophy, and then also a video that I pulled from TED Talk that I found pretty inspirational. And you're welcome to pull videos and incorporate them in there. But if you do that, make sure you give me an idea of what the TED Talk is about or what the video is about. Like here at the top, I say this is a TED Talk by Dr. Julie Hayson, sharing the impact teachers can make on students. I found her message similar to my teaching philosophy and wanted to share it. I hope you enjoy her message. So don't just drop a video in there. Make sure you give an introduction to the video. And then this is another one by Sir Ken Robinson. I gave a nice intro here. This is a TED Talk video by Sir Ken Robinson that shares his views on how education needs to change. I am sharing this video because it spoke to me as an educator, and I feel I could use Sir Robinson's ideas and implement them in my personal teaching experience when developing future courses and program in health professions. Sir Robinson makes a profound statement that spoke to me as an educator. Thread lightly. Please take a moment to watch what he means by this statement. I hope you enjoy it. So these are some things that I've added. My personal overview, professional overview, you guys are going to do a lot of these. I give a professional biography, and I write this in third person, like somebody else wrote it about me. It does give you my curriculum vitae, which you guys are going to have a resume, but if you would like to look at what I have on there, you can. It also has my education and training on here, so you can make a page of the education you have. This is indicated in here. Any certificates that I have, my professional training, which make sure you incorporate this personability class. Committees and memberships. These are all the committees that I've been involved in over the years and my professional memberships. Any reward awards or and recognitions that I received. So these are some awards and some achievements that I've received over my years of teaching and as a medical lab scientist. And this is a sample of my work projects. So I give them some ideas of some things that I've done in my career, and some examples of some curriculum that I've written to share so people can see some stuff that I've done over my career that I've found to be helpful and beneficial. So those are some things that you can do. Also, highlights of projects, that if you want to put any of the projects that we did in class and you want to highlight them, this is something I did in one of my courses. And I have multiple different things that I've shared in here of things that I've done that I've worked on and I've enjoyed working on. And so you want to make sure you incorporate some of these things in here. So I'm going to share this with you, but I'm going to also share, as I showed you here, if I wanted to add another section, I can just hit Organize Sections and just add another one. I can just say add, and I can add in a new other section. And each one of those pages down here that you see are, once I add it, a section, each one of these pages come from adding another page. So you can edit the page, like you can go here and hit edit this page here, or you can add another page by hitting Organize and Managing Pages. So if you want to add another page, you can do that down here on the bottom. So right here it says add another page. You can add another one, and you do that by hitting the management pages right there. Remember, this is on my iPad, so yours is going to be showing over on the right hand column over here in the top, up here at the top. I hope this helps a little bit. It's just a very general overview of what we do. I'll talk about it in class on Tuesday and Thursday, but this might give you a head start if you want to start working on it this weekend. Remember, this is 120 points. It's a large portion of your grade, so make sure you spend some time on doing this well. And that's all I have for you.